Hey everybody, it's Mark Schultz here with DigitalAircraft, and I'm really excited because today we are at the MRO Americas 2023 down here in Atlanta. And what I'm doing is I'm having conversations with people about really great challenges and topics and solutions that we have in the industry. And today, here right now, I wanted to introduce you to somebody, and thought we'd have a conversation about what they're doing. So, Tim, can you go ahead and tell us who you are and what do you do, basically?
Absolutely. Tim Russo, I lead our components division here at STS Component Solutions.
Yeah, perfect, good. And just so people would understand a little bit, STS Solutions really has a little bit broader, scope of things they do, and you're in one specific area of that. Can you just give us a quick high-level view of what STS does as a whole? Just a little bit bigger. Yeah.
Absolutely. So STS Aviation Group as a whole comprised of three divisions: our components, MEM, maintenance, engineering, and modifications, and staffing. So I lead our components division, which is an OEM distribution and supply chain solutions provider to the commercial aviation aftermarket.